What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Are you an outdoor enthusiast looking for a reliable, compact way to whip up delicious meals on your next adventure? Today on Triplezon, we are searching for the best foldable camping stove to bring campsite cooking into clear view. Let's get started. If you want a device that combines modern technology with outdoor cooking needs, check out the Foldable Camping Stove. This versatile tool is designed to bring a premium cooking experience to both beginners and passionate campers. Oguri has created a fantastic device that sits comfortably on your camp table while expanding your ability to prepare diverse meals. It solves the problem of carrying multiple heavy pots and pans by offering a dual-function griddle experience. Whether you are searing steaks or making breakfast, this stove enhances your hobby. Let us look at the cooking capabilities of the Oguri Foldable Camping Stove. At the heart of its design is a unique dual-function griddle offering two distinct surfaces, a textured side perfect for grilling meats and a smooth side ideal for cooking eggs. The stove features a larger cooking surface that comfortably accommodates two 10-inch pans at once, making group meals a breeze. This powerful performance is backed by dual burners delivering a combined 10,000 BTUs for fast and efficient cooking. One of the best benefits of this design is how it protects your convenience during food prep. Instead of fumbling with matches in the wind, you can use the simple push-button ignition to get started instantly. To make sure your meals are perfectly cooked, the stove features adjustable heat controls for precise temperature management. This ensures that your food is cooked under ideal conditions, highlighting every flavor from a gentle simmer to a high-heat sear. Beyond standard cooking, the Oguri Foldable Camping Stove offers excellent multimedia functionality through its smart, adaptable setup. It functions as a complete portable kitchen, allowing you to quickly feed a family or group after a long day of hiking. Users can capture the joy of outdoor dining by cooking multiple dishes simultaneously directly on the device. Cleaning up is as simple as a short wipe down on the durable stainless steel body, making it incredibly easy to pack away without hassle. When it comes to versatility, this lightweight and compact stove is user-friendly and suitable for a wide variety of applications. It can be utilized for camping, hiking, tailgating, or any backyard outdoor adventure. This makes it an outstanding gear addition for students, hobbyists, and curious travelers who want to explore nature comfortably. While it is not intended for extreme mountaineering, it provides an interactive and highly engaging experience for your everyday outdoor projects. Are you ready to see your campsite cooking in a whole new way with this excellent device? Check the price link in the description to find the latest deals and pick up yours today. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more great gear, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. We always love bringing you the best tools to enhance your hobbies and projects, and your support means everything to us. Thank you so much for watching, have fun exploring the outdoors, and we will see you in the next video.